Six Sigma.
Good evening, everyone, and welcome to this session of Lean Six Sigma with AI. I'm sure many of you would have used it. Cloud AI, it is just like we are having the Chat GPT, we are having Claude, Gemini, many other AI, like we are having the browser. Earlier days, we were talking about the browser. So we were using the Google and Safari and different browsers we had. So now it is being transferred to AI. So we have different AI and having different algorithm, different speed it is having. So this is the AI where you can see certain chats which I am having. It is having the project, so you can create your projects. So there's some of the companies for which we work, and we are creating the projects for them and keeping their as a reference of ready database. This is what I would like to explain to you. The power is not in chat GPT, in chats. If you are using chats, then it is like you are using this as your Google. Whatever answers you are getting in chats, same answer you'll be able to get into the Google as well. The power is in artifact, okay, and then power is into the customization and creating the workflow. So what is artifact? Artifact is the kind of application you are generating. Let me give you this calculator. So this is being generated with single click, and uh, I will try to showcase you. Let me just give you the idea. Okay, so this is the calculator. You can copy it and paste it. I will be pasting it. Yeah. What exactly it is, let me show you first, and then we'll be getting into the fine tuning or understanding of it before we close today. So this is the fantastic looking OEE calculator. For those who don't know what is OEE, OEE is overall equipment effectiveness, and it is classic measure to understand the efficiency and effectiveness of your machine, of your line, or probably you can utilize any of your process also to understand how effectively it is performing. And this is the classic measure to understand the effectiveness and efficiency both. So this tool is being created. There are multiple things which you can see here. It is being created in 2 minutes by writing a single prompt. What you can do is you can tell Cloud AI that I would like to create an artifact. That is, artifact is kind of application which you are creating. And then, we were discussing this particular problem with one of the company, and they said, we are having the machine, but our machine would be having different product daily basis, and every product is having the different cycle time. So how to calculate OE? Now OE is the multiplication of availability factor, performance factor, and quality factor. So we created this, like I sat on my artifact on my Cloud AI, and I created this in 1 minute. Initially, I created single thing. I gave the prompt that give me OE calculator for one single machine. And believe me, by just writing this prompt, it gave me a simple artifact where I'm having the period of day. So if you need to tell them that I want different 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 what do you call options for per day, per week, per month, per hour. So per day is the period. Shift, how many shifts I am running? One, two, three. So what is the shift? What is the production time? And this is the downtime period. If you add this, and probably if you are doing product A, which is having the 5 passes, so it's a chemical company, and every pass was taking 8, 7, 9, 8, 10 minutes, right? So you can filter it according to the minute. So that is being given into the prompt, and the best cycle time that is being generated automatically. Good batches or bad rejected batches, that is what you need to give it to them. And by just adding this simple data, you can get your availability, performance, and the quality factor, and ultimately your OEE. This data is having some issues, and therefore it is giving you the 486 this performance. The data is wrong basically. So my purpose is not to take you through this, but the purpose is that this OE, earlier it was taking too much of the time. Probably few of you would be knowing that number of discussions were happened in the calculation of OE, and we end up with nowhere. So if we can create something with the use of AI, probably we can create magic. So if you see, I have created so many things with this artifact, and if I show you, we are having attribute data wizard. So how to do the attribute data analysis, statistical testing wizard, where if we are having the attribute data, then it would tell me which kind of statistical tool I will have to use it for the analysis. So this is the variable data testing wizard, OE, hypothesis testing. Then of course, different GST evaluator, project charter, personal health board is being created, Six Sigma DMAIC project dashboard. So this is also being created here. And you can see here, if I can copy here, copy the link, and if I can show it to you. So you need to put your details here rather than getting into the formats and all that. You can just define, and you can put project charter, what is the sigma level you have, expected levels, and export them into the as a report. So measure also is there. So according to the define, you can, the SIPOC would be created, the baseline would be created. You need to put the data. The KPI would be created as it is, and then generate the pattern. If you put the cause here and the contribution, you can create the Pareto analysis, and straight away you can get into the measure. Analyze about the root cause analysis, fishbone summary, and verified root cause. It will give you the predictable, it would give you the prioritized cause, which are important where you need to take actions and then improve. So and let me tell you, all this metric, all these things are being generated according to your goal statement. You need not to create it. So most of your work is very easy, but you need to understand what a metric is all about. What is improvement stage is all about. So there you need to learn Lean Six Sigma. If you will be using it without learning Lean Six Sigma, it's of no use, right? And then control mechanism, what you need to control, hand over final outcome, and you can download the entire DMAIC report on your own. So that is what is being created through Cloud AI, and very easy. It is not the rocket science which I'm talking about. It is, if you know this, probably if you try to use it, it is a single click and you can create your own world. It's very important. If any of you would like to be part of the Lean Six Sigma master course, or would like to enroll for it, you are feel free. We will be happy to help you, because this course would not give you the certificate. End of the day, in unfortunately in Indian system, still we need certificate to showcase that you are having this degree or you are having this knowledge. So for the first stepping stone, probably you need a certificate, and this kind of certificate helps you to having the 30%, 40% rise. That is what we have experienced, and many of our participants and my LSS family people have experienced it. I'm not insisting it to you, but still, if you would like to go for it, you are most welcome. And as you are connected with us, probably we can offer you at very nominal cost. The objective is to you learn and then you grow. That is the purpose.